أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ميم. أستغفر الله العظيم. أستغفر الله العظيم. أستغفر الله العظيم. الذي لا إله إلا هو الحي القيوم وأتوب إليه إلا جميع الحق والإيمان والإسلام. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. لا إله إلا الله جليل العزيز الجليل. لا إله إلا الله خالصا مخلصا والله الرحيم. اللهم صل وسلم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. لا إله إلا الله كل شيء قبله وبكل شيء وكيل. سبحان الله والحمد لله لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر ولا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله العلي العظيم. لا إله إلا الله أنت سبحان الله إني كنت من الظالمين. لا إله إلا الله حق بالله كمثله وشبيه بشير. اللهم اهدني فيمن هديت وعافني فيمن عافيت وتولني فيمن توليت برحمتك شر ما قضيت فإنه تقضي ولا يقضى عليك وإنه لا يذل من وليت تبارك ربنا وتعاليت ولك الحمد ولا قضيت وأستغفرك وأتوب إليك. صلى الله على سيدنا محمد نبي وعلى آله وصحبه وبارك وسلم. اللهم اغفر لي وأنت غير الراحمين. بسم الله أوصيكم الله إن شاء الله ألف dengan Quran Karim. La ilaha illallah mengaku para hadirin kita pula tawi-tawi mengayo ako kaampunan nawa tapaksik ini sampai paruhubog mo din ako mong rajawali kinabalo sa pabud tumantang islupas ng United Kingdom sa Southeast Asia. Bulan na kamo ikasapunnalan ipakontrol mo na kamo entire Mindanao pagkaring ababaya in national government, local government di nila sila mawaya paaunon in Queens in the Republic of the Philippines kaon na napo dilan na kamo in kamardikaan sin entire Mindanao mayroon hula sin government sin Philippines, government sin Malaysia, government sin Indonesia ang taghak lupas ng United Kingdom Southeast Asia. Okay, ako na po yan na. Sambuanga Peninsula, Region 9. Apo sa bunga si Sultan Muhammad Shariful Hasid. First na Marinta, ay nanggulol si Lupaso, 1450 to 1480. Irin ako na po. Mayroon na apo sa bunga. Pag anak si Shariful Hasid, ama sinama po. Amunin Muhammad Kamaluddin, katiwan tag-unom alias niya dunya. Siya ay nagpaon sin dunya, siya ay nagpaon sin ICG, siya ay nagpaon sin United Nations, siya rin nagpaon sin OIC, Organization of Islamic Conference. Saksian niyo po, ang po kamo uliya maparakat. Hindi po manang po, batalan na in research in election via Republic of the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Batalan nyo na. Cancel. Putuan na uliya madun. Putuan na uliya Salman. Putuan na uliya Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jalani. tuan Aulia, Apu tuan Anbiya, Apu tuan Sawiya, Apu tuan Asma, Apu alif pokok, manikam dari Allah, Apu alifullah, manikam dari Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Apu alif katilingan kasatunalan. Ikaw na yung kampo, sultan, batin, singkatan, manusia sa kalian alam. Pitong lapis lang, pitong lapis bumi. Biyak paradjayahan, singkatan, tag-ipon ng paparadsiya subhanallahu ta'ala, niya makadakakahinang sindaakan sin Allah, tujuh pa Rasul, Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in ako apo niya sa bundal, Raja Muhammad ka mamamaya sa Nabi Raja. Ikaw na sultan batin, singkatan, sa galagala, umat mo, apo, ala nabiya, in ikaw ako, in ako ikaw, kumpay ako, kumpay ako, kumpay ako, barakat la ilaha illallah, barakat si Muhammad Rasulullah, la hawla, wala quwata, illa billahi al-wahdim, qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, qul Allahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah, la ilaha illallah, ana Muhammadur Rasulullah. Kabul barakat la ilaha illallah, kabul barakat si Muhammadur Rasulullah. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sambuanga at kami ay nagpapasalamat na kahit papaano nagampanan namin ni Radyo Mamay ang aming misyon. Masarap isipin na nagtagumpay tayo. Masarap isipin na nakuha natin ang hangad natin para sa Mindanao, para sa Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Basilan, Sambuanga. Lahat dapat maging masaya tayo. Dahil kahit papano, nagtagumpay tayo. Sinuong namin ni Mamay ang lahat ng kapahamakan para lang naman maibigay namin sa inyo ang ipinangako namin na tunay na liberation, na tunay na kapayapaan, na tunay na katarungan. Kaya, sa araw na ito, itinakda namin, this is the National Liberation Day, na alam namin na walang makakaharang sa amin ni Mamay dahil nagpakababa kami, naglakad sa kabundukan, tiningnan na parang ulubi, tiningnan na parang mga busabos, ngunit ang hindi nila alam, kami pala ay totoo. Dahil kami ay kinilala ng buong mundo. We are recognized by the people outside this country, and yet our own people, especially the government officials, continuously denied us. Ngayon, masabi namin sa inyo, hawak namin ang alas. Hawak namin dahil yun ang ipinangako namin sa maliliit na mga tao na inyong inalipusta, inyong inabuso at ginamit ninyo tuwing eleksyon. Ngayong araw na ito, kaming mag-asawa, dinideklara namin na simula noong 2010 hanggang ngayon 2013 sa araw mismo na ito ay null and void dahil majority hindi nagboto at ang lahat ay namanipula dahil sa PCOS machines na ito. 2010, nasa hulo kami at nakita namin ang bayaran at nakita namin ang limpak-limpak na salapi na dinala para bayaran ang pamilya. isa na bumubuto at hinaharangan pag iyon ay butante ng kalaban. Ngayon, simula noong 999 hanggang ngayon, sa araw na ito, May 13, 2013, kami ni Mamay ay talagang nagpakita sa inyo ng isang pamamalakad na nagmumula sa taos-puso namin dalawa, ang tinatawag namin humility despite kung ano kami. We know right from the start of who we are. That's why we are not afraid to face anyone in this world. We know that we are programmed by our forefathers to be together. Me as the Christian and him as the Islam. There is no difference between the Christian and the Islam and the Lumans before the eyes of God. Now I have spread it to the entire Mindanao, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, Basilan, that we have indeed become successful in our mission by the fact that the International Court of Justice came to me in May 3rd, 2013, bringing all my documents to the highest court of this world, the International Court of Justice, of course. That's why in May 11, 2013, I have received what is necessary, what we call the liberation for the entire Mindanao Sulu archipelago. I challenge you, Commissioner Sixto Brillantes, what you have said, what you have told us through your live telecast, that you cannot declare a failure of election because the result will never be affected. You are right to that because that is already programmed. But now I can also tell you that we, the royal couples, declare today also that the election from 2010 up to now is null and void. So therefore, kahit anong bilang ninyo, kahit anong gawin ninyo, nandito kami para ayusin dahil nag-file na kami noong Biyernes ng kaso at asunto ninyo sa Ombudsman. We tried our best to process this in a diplomatic way, in the most human way. But you are so hard-headed. And Pinoy, you know that pretty well that I had been coming to you. But now I just came from Basilan. I left behind the king here in the safer ground because I want even to the most dangerous people that you branded, the Abu Sayyaf. Riding in a motorbike, riding in a different way that you could imagine, just to reach these people. But that representation is sufficient enough to tell you that no one has ever did this to be able to reach the poor among the poorest. But now we tried also to tell you, hindi nakukuha lahat sa pera. Ang isang leader handang magpakamatay alang-alang sa sinasakupan para sa kapayapaan, katarungan ng inyong kaharian. Ito ang ginawa namin ni Mamay. Ako'y nagpapasalamat din na kahit kami ay inalipusta, kami ay tinunggari ang mga busabos, we are just being sad. Ika nga, at least pasalamat kami na natagpuan namin ang isa't isa. Dahil kung siya lang, hindi niya rin makukuha. Kung ako, hindi ko rin makukuha. Dahil kailangan lumaban kami ng patas na dalawa mula dito hanggang Borneo. Kung sino pa sa inyo hindi naniniwala, kung sino pang ayaw sumunod, ilang araw na lang haharapin ninyo ang International Court of Justice. Because ako hindi nagkulang sa inyo ng paalala. Binigyan ko kayo lahat ng kailangan ninyo para sumunod kayo at ituwid ninyo ang inyong pamamaraan. So sa akin ngayon, lahat ito, the responsibilidad na binigay sa akin. Ang lahat ito ginagampanan ko. Kung titingnan ninyo, napakahirap. simulat sa poll, alam ninyo na napakahirap isipin kung paano ito nangyayari. So sa akin, kaya nga sinasabi ko kay Radya Mamay, lahat ito, lahat ng pasakit, lahat ng luha na ibinuhos namin dalawa dito, ang katumbas pala ay kaligayahan para sa lahat. You cannot count the tears, you cannot equate the sufferings that we have gone through together. The rest of us cannot imagine how we both worked, traveled so hard to be able to reach this goal. But today, as you continuously deny us, you will be answerable to me and to our forefathers and to the International Court of Justice, because our laws here are all polluted with greedy and corrupt leaders. I tried to use the law to fight against you in the premise of what is right and what is necessary. But you drive me, you have driven me to go outside the highest court because you tried again and again block me in favor of the Sultan of your choice. Now all of you, from the presidents and former presidents, from Marcos up to this time, you are all liable to me and to the Sultan, Raja Muhammad Qamar Mamay Hassan Abdul Raja, for the illegal signing of the framework agreement, of which you had just gotten all my documents and the pattern of what I'm doing. You have stolen my pattern of implementing my programs in Mindanao and Sulu to Sabah. So this time, I would rather say, enough is enough. Lahat kayo na mga pag-ari ko na handang bumalik sa tunay na landas. Nandito po kami ni Sultan. Kaya ipaghandaan niyo na ng mabuti itong July 3, 2013. So sa akin, gusto kong ibigay sa inyo ang pagkakataon na at least magtagumpay na ang buong lahi. Raja Sulaiman, ang may-ari ng Maguindanao Oil Field, Sultan Kayulawan Pandala Pasandalan, ang iniwan ni Ama Pandala sa atin, magpakatibay ka. Nandito lahat tayo, nandito lahat ngayon, ang ating mga kasama dumarating na sa iba't ibang bansa dahil nakilala ka na bilang tagapagmana at bilang administrador kasama ko at ng Sultan sa oil field na iniwan sa atin. Iyan ay para sa lahat, sa buong Maguindanao at sa buong ating mga kapatid dito sa Mindanao, sa buong Pilipinas. Ibigay ko po kay Radya Mamay ang pananalita.
Mga kapatid ko, Kristiyano, Muslim, tribals, at saka iba-ibang lahi. Hingi ko sa inyo ang support tayong mga naghihirap dito sa buong Pilipinas, sa buong Mindanao, at saka sa buong mundo. Panahon na ang ASEAN country, especially Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, tama na ang pagnakaw ninyo ng pera ng kasi ang pera pinalaki ninyo ang may-ari kay Sultan of Sulu in North Korea. All the Filipino hindi para sa nakaupo. Since Marcos until present President Noynoy, Mr. President, you better resign now. My advice to you. Where is your promise to the Filipino people that you said kayo ang Posko? Ituwid ang daan. Hanggang ngayon, wala pa akong pangako na ibigay. Pero mag-eleksyon pa kayo. Tama na. Hindi na pwede mag-eleksyon kayo kasi pinakamadumi ang eleksyon ng Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, all very dirty. As I have said, we adopt the true democracy which is introduced by the President of the Republic of the United States of America, the first black president, which is Abraham Lincoln, when they give the true democracy by the government of the people, by the people, for the people, and to the people. What is the democracy in the Republic of the Philippines, which is introduced by late Marcos, by the government to the politician for their own pocket? Now, Mr. President, dissolve the national government and dissolve the local, both national and local, dissolve. And please be advised, honor the Federal Republic of the Philippines by virtue of the Queen Maria Makiling Helen Fatima Nazaria Paulino Rajab as the Queen of the Republic of the Philippines. That Federal Republic was introduced on April 23, 2008, both conclusion by senators and Congress based on Article 10. Now, Commission on Election, you must have to respect our complainants. If the Ombudsman will not take action, I have to bring these matters to the International Court of Justice and to the United Nations that I have to file you for the inventory, for the direction of the Mutual Mapilito Loan Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia on September 16, 1963, and by this coming September 17, 2013, that is my time. Now you will be inventory by the IMF and World Bank that all the national government from president to barangay and also local government from governor to mayor to barangay, you will all be subject for inventory and audit. But I advise you, prepare now, commit suicide because you will be hanging like Saddam Hussein. Yun lang masabi ko sa inyo. Huwag ninyo ang mali ay totoo. Ang totoo ay mali. Kasi ang dinadala namin ay katotohanan. We are not like you liars, evil-minded politician like the 5 governors. They are the kidnappers because they follow the brain of Professor Mishwari, chairman of the MLF, and Murad, chairman of the MLF. Dissolve your organization. You will like Arafat. You know what happened to Arafat in Palestine? They graduated 7 feet below the ground. So, Chairman Mishwari, MNLF, Chairman Murad, MILF, Arafat is waiting for you. Yun na ang pwede ko masabi. Magpakatotoo na ba? Lolo Ramos, saan na ang pangako mo? We are invited to attend the 51st anniversary on September 27, 2012. One point really, your money in Mindanao or your property in Mindanao is belong to you. But if you will not obey the justice, you will not reform the federal government, this property will be back to the Filipino people, especially the poor. I promise you. And Gloria Arroyo, if you will not go to the you will not respect me as your cousin. Same thing, you follow like Ramos. Really, I know the one who did during your term as president for 9 years. It is the command of FG. Your husband is the one who give to rule, not you. You are only allowed to sign. It is in command by your husband and Pedro Ramos. Now, Pedro Ramos, you advise Haris Sali in Sabah. Haris Sali, you see what happened in coming election in Malaysia. What will happen to Sabah in Sarawak? I already told the opposition that you cannot win because Sabah in Sarawak is already programmed as fixed deposit by the Barisan Nasional. I know the clean election. It was in 1985 to 1986. That is clean election. You see how strong Mustapha hold one airplane full of ballot box, 48 ballot box, already fixed that Berjaya will vote, but Mustapha advised him to stop and arrest all the ballot box and put into clean election. So the opposition all win. PBS win 31 set, Osno win 16 set, and the rest 2 or 3. Now the election as of now, especially Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, all in command by Tun Mahathir. That is ready-made result. Now Anwar Ibrahim, if you listen to me, or if you're willing to meet me as personal, you can zone in as Prime Minister of Malaysia for the reform of the Semangat 46, which is the party of my grandfather, Abdul Rahman Putra Al-Haj, which is handed by him by Nur Jaafar as the caretaker of when endorsed to my grandfather, the co-founder, this is grandfather, which is Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jalani, is the founder of so it was given to my grandfather to lead the AMNO because the rotation of Prime Minister is only 2 terms, same thing with America. So what will happen when Mahathir took over the Prime Minister of Malaysia? Where is the seat of Musa Hitam? Where is the seat of Abdul Ghaffar Baba? Where is the seat of Anwar Ibrahim? That's why when his case was opened in 2012, January 8, 2012, when I was in Hong Kong, I advised the High Court of Sabah to acquit this case. He's supposed to go directly to the Yam Department to sworn in as the new Prime Minister. Why he did not did? He is still afraid to Mahathir. What Mahathir announced when I declared my video, they said no government, no country, no law. So therefore, Anwar Ibrahim is the winner. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Pantay-pantay tayong lahat.
Thank you very much. The King again is very excited in telling about Malaysia. That is his domain. And I just hope that we can properly talk it out already on the top of the table, especially the finance group that would like to talk to me. Please go straight to my chief negotiator, that one who bin Abdul Aziz. And if you should like, you can come to Zamboanga or wherever I am in the vicinity because I am still mobile. Now I'm always in command with our people here because they need the personal negotiation with me. Okay, thank you very much. God bless. Allahu Akbar. God bless everyone. I know that we made it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. to all the people of the Philippines, to all our brothers and sisters in Mindanao, Sulu, Palawan, Zamboanga, Tawi-Tawi, up to Sabah. My life is solely dedicated to achieve the peace and order in our territory. Being the one chosen by God to be the wife of the Sultan of Sulu in North Borneo, Raja Muhammad Kamal Mamay Hassan Aturaja, has made me a lot of responsibilities, especially that the alive living witness, the brother of Sultan Sharif Hassan Pasang, Jamalul Alam, and Tunku Abdurrahman Putra Al-Hajj, known as Husin Kamaluddin Sharif Husin of Brunei. With me is an example of a life filled with sacrifices, filled with trials, filled with a lot of painful experiences from the day I was born up to this moment in time. But I know that I have done my part. Day by day, I really tried my part to find the truth and justice, to be able to liberate Mindanao and Sulu up to Sabah. At this very moment, I know that I have done a tremendous act of charity, an act of selfless love for the poor. It is not necessary anymore who has betrayed me, who has put me into a life of so much pain. But this is now the moment that I have to celebrate with the entire Christendom and with all my brothers in the Islamic faith, as well as the natives of this land. Today I mark as the National Liberation Day, wherein I know that I have gotten the support of the entire world, despite of the fact that my own Philippine government, especially the President of this country, continuously denied me of my right as the Queen of the Republic of the Philippines. I know that I have already done my assignment. I have submitted everything what is necessary for you to understand. But up to now, you never cared at all. But you did not realize that the International Court of Justice has come to this part to Zamboanga just to talk to me in May 3, 2013.